Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter.com. Got IBM Selectric 3 here that has a part bad that I haven't seen in a while, but we do see it pretty often. I'm winging it over here, and it is the index assembly. It's black, you can't see it there. And it sounds like it's ratcheting properly, but it's not. It has got the index paw here. Boy, I'm having trouble getting this machine over here. Okay, I got to do something else here. We've got to take this machine out of the case, or out of the bottom. Let's do that real quick here. And I'll be able to get to it a little closer. Alright. Set this down. Alright, this will probably work a little better. Alright, down here. Okay, got some light. Here's the index paw or assembly, and there's a detent lever here that moves that in and out, but it's missing the roller. It should really be like this part, like that, and have a little roller in there, right there. Oops, I just lost. Oh no, went down in the machine. But the deal is, see this edge here? There's this, it's just flat right there. And that one on the machine has a big old groove in it right there. The roller's gone and the groove is cut in that piece. So that's not supposed to be a groove in there. It's supposed to be like that one. No groove. What happened is that little roller fell out of there, and it's been rubbing there, and it rubbed the slot right in there. Rubbed this. It just wore that metal right down to nothing. So it needs that roller that I'm going to look for right now. Let's see, there she comes, right there. So we don't need to replace this arm. It's going to be all right, like it is. Let's take this roller off now and see if we can get in here and take a close look at this. Really need some light here, but okay. So there's that index arm right here, and this lever pulls it in and out of ratchet action. So there is a small roller right there, and it goes through this little hole right there. This is very small and it's very tricky to get in place. I'm going to try to do it here real quick. So there's that roller, and it fits in this piece like so, right there. And then it's got a little clip that goes on that side, a tiny little clip. So what we want to do is get this roller back into that arm. Let me take this off and see if we can get it into this arm right here, right now. So I'm going to try to do this right like this. This is a tricky thing. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's in there, and then there's it protrudes a little bit on the side, and a small C-clip goes in there, a little tiny clip like that. I'm going to try to get that on there. That is the secondary hardest part. Just getting that clip in there. So let's see. That clip goes on the outside here, right there. And you know what? It's on there. So there's that roller. It's back in place. So if we put the paper pan in back in, put the roller back in. Now it rolls on the roller and it doesn't hit that gap. See that big old cutout right there? It's rolling on the roller, not the gap, not that little cutout right there. Isn't that crazy? That's what happens sometimes. So that's been out of there for years. It took a long time for that to wear out like that. But that's something to look for on Selectric 2s and 3s. The Selectric 1 has a different style arm, doesn't do that. Alright. Being Typewriter, good day.